Good afternoon, Mr. Jason's friends. It's Mr. Jason here. I'm in my bedroom. I know you can't see me this time. My webcam, or my little camera, actually busted. I will have to get that fixed as soon as I can. But fortunately, I can still read a book to you by using my computer and my microphone. So today we're going to read a book called Today I'll Be a Unicorn. It is by Dana Simpson. I only see the author, Dana Simpson. I don't see an illustrator who is our drawer. Do you think that maybe Dana Simpson did both the art and the words? Oh, that's a great guess. She did. This is her book. She went ahead and she wrote all the words, making her the author, and she drew all the pictures. So she's also the illustrator. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I want to find out what happens if you're a unicorn. Today I'll be a unicorn. Today I'll be a unicorn. I'll have a tail and a magic horn. Ooh. Oh, look at her. She's got a costume. She's drawing a tail on her. She's got her horns. She's smart. I'll trot through meadows and be the most beautiful of creatures. Oh, look at that. It's a pretty nice costume she's got there. I wonder what trot means. Do you guys know? Oh, that's a good idea. I like it. I like it. Maybe it means walk or run or hike. I like those thoughts. Good ideas. I'll look down at my house from high up on a rainbow. Oh, I didn't know unicorns could sit on rainbows. Did you know that? I'll wear a shining tiara made of starlight. Oh, tiara. That's a new word too. But if I look at my pictures for clues, I think a tiara might be the shiny crown here the unicorn's wearing. And the shiny crown that she's putting on. That's my guess for tiara. But my unicorn friend says unicorns eat hay instead of pizza. Uh-oh. She doesn't look too happy about that, does she? I don't know if I could eat hay. Could you eat hay if you wanted to be a unicorn? I don't know. I think I like pizza too much. Let's see what she does. Oh, maybe I'll be a unicorn tomorrow. Look, she took her costume off and she's eating pizza. And her unicorn friend is eating the hay. That's a good idea, right? That's a good compromise. We can be friends still, and you can both eat what they want. The end. Oh, that was a great book. I really liked it. I hope to read more of those, actually. It looks like there's quite a few about the unicorn here. Maybe I could read another one for next week. All right. Take it easy, Mr. Jason's friends. Have a great day, a better week, and stay safe. Bye.